On December 1st, 2025, my grandfather passed away. Out of the many hobbies that he enjoyed, restoring classic automobiles was one of them. He bought this C4 Corvette about 11 years ago. During that time, he put a C5 body kit on it and rebuilt the engine. Unfortunately, the engine never ran right, but had suspicion of electrical issues. I was given the opportunity to pick up where he had left off. After finding out, I knew I wanted to document every step of the process. We get the call at the end of December to come and pick up the Corvette. We drop everything and go up there and do exactly as my grandmother wanted. It was tucked away in the back corner of the garage where it had sat for many years. In this episode, we go pick it up and bring it home. Whoa! Whoa! It's hitting a little bit right here. It was barely touching, but once the tires get up on the ramp, it won't hit. But
we're gonna have to put blocks back there to let it come up. Nose is hitting the dolly now. You know, let this door go down. Better make sure he gets that top fastened down before he takes off. What are you doing over here bothering me? Ready? Yep. Go. Now you get the ratchet faulty. We had it going until you stopped us. Ready? Yeah. Same damn place, James. Take the buggy in that strap. Get right there and pull that on there.
oh, these go over the tires. Cool.
Yeah, wait, Jojo.
It's on the dolly.
It's out of the garage.
It's on the garage. Here we go, we're going through town with the C4.5. Truck bed loaded down with parts. Top is off the Corvette. Oh, you can barely see it in the mirror there. This is exciting. Is this emotional for you? How are you feeling, Lizard? Tell us your thoughts. Yeah, it is emotional. You could tell Mama Lois was heavy-hearted today too, couldn't you?
Yes and no. Like, she was just keeping herself busy too.
She was, yeah, baby. I could see her looking around, and she was just sitting down and soaking it all in. Tell us where the tears came from.
I don't know. Just bringing the Corvette home, I guess, and I don't know. I just wish he was here.
Yeah. But you know, if he was still here, the car wouldn't go nowhere because he'd fix it one day.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just, you know what I mean, for Charlie. Golly, might have to hook the side. Better be watching your mouth. Can you see me in your mirror here? All right. Easy now. Looking good so far.
Yeah, go ahead.
I got a block here. You did great. You're on the ground in there. Getting in's the easy part.
Yeah, getting out of my car.
Did it like it was nothing.
Yeah.
But yeah, I've got this fake stick-on wood grain. I have to take all that off and de-glue it or something because it's like peeling off in places like down there. It might make it.
No.
All right, go.
I got one hook.
Hey, down to it, Bryce.
But I just got an interior light.
I keep hooking it because it's making noises up here. All right, well, let's make sure this side don't go back down, and we'll do that some more. Oh, wow. That's good. Yeah, it is. Kind of just sits in place like that. And then this would go down and push. Okay, it's got more of a thing you straighten it. Yep, there we go. I assume that's all in fine shape.
Okay, must have got some little bitty ass holes in
Yeah. This is a plastic window. At one point in the C4, they switched to a glass window in their convertible top. And I think it also had defrost, but I could be wrong.